Guys, welcome back. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you my new 52 DC new 52 Cyborg action figure. And guys, I know I have already reviewed it, but I deleted that video because I see that many details I have mistaken on this figure with the Chatpat Toys India's obviously video and other information of this DC new 52 action figure Cyborg. So today I have completed it and fulfill my mistakes. So let's review it. Let's get started. So guys, you can see it's our Cyborg action figure, which is DC new 52 Cyborg. So you can see the paint detailing here, very bulky action figure. And guys, I tell that it is a handmade action figure. Obviously guys, you know that it's a handmade action figure, and I need 5 cardboard pieces of this torso, 2 arms, 2 legs to make this Cyborg action figure and stick it. And the face I've used newspaper balls. So it's our Cyborg. You can see the very crisp detailing. I'm swapping guys, but you can notice, according to me, it's a very detailed action figure I have made. You can see very bulky action figure it is, very bulky. Obviously you can see our bulky figure. So it's our Cyborg. So you can see the face detailing is very nice. You can see the our Cyborg's face, Victor Stone, and here we got a red spot. I have colored it with blue, but now I see that it was red. You can see the eye, also red color I have made. And you can see the armor, the Cyborg detailing. You can see a beach green color I have used on this figure. The main color is the overall color is the beach green. You can see all in the legs and the arms also you can see the beach green color. And in the torso we got silver, and here we got black color. In the back also you can see same type of beach green color and the black color. Obviously you can see here silver straps with the black color. You can see guys, here again we got silver. Overall detailing wise, I think it's a good figure. Thumbs up. Nice action figure it is. Very bulky, and overall color detailing is very nice according to me. I know I'm shopping, but you can see the detailing, very much good action figure it is. The color detailing wise I am saying. You can see here a red light impression here. You can see a small red light here impression also, as we have seen in movies and comics. Here we also got red light impression. You can see in the back you can also see red light impression continue. And in the arms also you can see the red light impression here. And in the back you can see here again a red light impression, that Cyborg's the display color obviously red light. You can see here similar type of detailing here. You can see black and the silver stripes here, also black and silver. Look at this back guys. In this back you can also see the back profile, the beach green color and the black, similar type of color as we have seen in the front. Here we got a big red color light. So you can see the detailings guys in this face. I think the face is very much detailed I have done. You can see the beach green, also the armored part of Cyborg here, and you can see the red light impressions in the hair also. I think very much detailing you also see. So if I talk about the articulation, so guys, articulation you can see the face only side to side. It's upward motion we didn't get because I've attached a screw guys actually. So obviously because of this screw we get little movements on its head, side to side, and no up down we got. And you can see where we got a bicep cut, that quite good. Means actually I have done it, corrected here. See bicep cut, and here we don't get any cut, that I have not done any crunches. Obviously very bulky figures, so no torso rotation I have done. And here I have done little legs front raise and the back raise. So these were the articulations, and now it is his overall view. Bang guys, so was Cyborg new 52 action figure. And guys, according to me, the color detailing, the bulkiness on this figure is very good, but according to the articulation, it's the worst figure guys. In the handmade also I have created many handmade figures, and guys, Brothor handmade figure is also coming soon, so please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and after 100 subscribers I will give you all shout out, and you are supporting me. So guys, please subscribe my channel, and I will give this figure according to its attractiveness. Means I've done, you can see very much, I think, attractive realistic effect I've done. I will give it rating best overall now. Rating best, thumbs up guys, this figure. But overall I think according to the articulations, it's the worst figure I've ever seen. I know I have made it, but I tried to make some articulation, but I was unsuccessful. Okay, little articulation I made. According to the articulation, worst figure, but detailing wise you can see very much relatable to our DC New 52 action figure Cyborg. So guys, hope you liked our video, and guys, now we'll meet in the next video. Till then, ta-ra!